Hey P2, I am going to show you how to make a fun number bonds game. So you're going to start with a piece of paper, all right, and we're going to fold it. So fold it like a hamburger. All right, so you have that. Now fold it again. Now it looks like a hot dog bun. And you're going to fold that in half and fold it one more time. Now remember, if I go too fast, you may pause and rewind. So you have it folded twice in each direction. Okay, so now you have all these squares. 4 squares across, 4 squares down. 16 total squares you have. All right, get out a fun color, any color marker or crayon or whatever you want to use. And I'm going to start with purple. No, I'm gonna start with green. I was wrong. I'm gonna start with green. And we're gonna put on our start. This is where we're going to start, right here. So I'm going to write start. And I'm gonna put an arrow which way we need to go. And what color am I? Okay, we're gonna start. That's our start. Now, so we're gonna go this way, and then go this way, over here. This is our end. I'm gonna get my end here, and I'm gonna put winner. This is where you win. Okay, and then I'm gonna give him a fun little smiley face. I'm gonna color him in yellow like an emoji. And then I'm going to get out my, let me find my black marker. And we're gonna give him big smiley face. Okay, now get out another fun color. I'm gonna go with purple. And we're gonna give him a few obstacles or advantages along the way. So I think the first one here is, this is going to be a move forward. So I'm gonna write move forward. One spot. So if you land here, you get to be a winner. All right, now I'm going to, I'm gonna put a little obstacle in the way. I'm gonna give him a little obstacle. And I'm gonna say on this one here, I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna say, go back. Go back. Should we say what, 2 spots? 3? Let's go 3 spots. 3 spots. So that means they gotta go all the way back down to there. And let's do 2 more. Let's do 1 more on this one. Let's go with an orange. What should we say, the orange? Maybe they can go, they move forward, they went back. Well, what about start over? Oh yeah, let's start over here. Start over. And then I'm gonna give him a little sad face and he's gonna be crying. Now if you want, you can make stars over these any way you want to design it. And this one, let's say, he's got to go forward, he's got to go back, he's got to start over. Let's say move forward on this one. Or let's say jump ahead. Jump ahead. I want to say 2 spots? Let's say 2 spots. All right, so now you're gonna get out a pencil, or I'm gonna use a black marker because that way you can see it much better, but you can use a pencil on these. And what we're gonna do on the rest is we're gonna make our number bond. So you're gonna make a rectangle, just like that. And then underneath it, 2 circles. And then you connect the circles to our number bond. So this is our whole number, and these are 2 parts. I made this a little small, so I'm gonna work on making my circles a little bit bigger so I can write in them. And then you connect them just like that. Okay, so you go through and you do that with all the remaining spots. All right, so now we have that taken care of. You're going to get 2 colors, any 2 colors that you want. We're gonna keep it to 2 colors. One color is gonna be for the whole, and the other color is gonna be for the parts. Okay, so I'm gonna go with pink and pink and blue. I like pink and blue. Okay, so you're gonna decide, do you want what color you want for the whole and what color you want for the part. I think I'm gonna do blue on my whole and pink on my parts. So take the marker you want for the whole and give it a number from 1 to 10. So I'm gonna start with this one with a 10, okay? And skip every other one. So I'm not gonna do that on this one. On this one, I'm gonna do a 7. I'm gonna skip and do it on here, and I'm gonna do a 5. I'm gonna skip and do it on here, and then do a 9. And I'm making them all different. Skip this one, do it here, and do, let's do a 4, okay? On the ones you skip, you're going to put a question mark in. So go back and give those whole numbers a question mark. All right, now take out your other color and we're going to fill in. Now, if you have a number here, you only give one circle a question mark. You only want to give one number. So I'm going to say 5. Any number smaller than 10. Okay. If you have a question mark, you have to give them 2 numbers. So let's say I use a 3 and a, let's go with 5. 3 and 5. All right, so I have a number here. I have to do 1 question mark and then something, a number less, 7 or less. So let's go with 1. Okay, I'm gonna go here. I've got a question mark, so I have to fill in both of these. Let's go with a 4 and a 4. Ooh, let's do a double, a 4 and a 4. I have a 5 here. I have a number, I have to do a question mark, so I have to do a number 5 or less. What if we do 0? Down here I have a question mark. I have to fill in both of these. Let's fill in with a 1 and a 6. Oh, okay, so I have a number. I have to do a question mark in one of these. It doesn't matter which one you do a question mark in. It could be either side. And then a number that is going to be 9 or less. I like the number 2. Here I have a question mark. I need to fill these both in. So let's do a, what number haven't I used? Use a number you haven't. I haven't used a 7 and I haven't used, let's do a 7 and a 3. All right, down here, I only need one number, so I'm gonna give it a question mark on 1, and let's go with 4. I can use the same number. And here I need 2 numbers. Let's do, I haven't used an 8. I've done a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I haven't done a 6. This is going to be a big number. Whew. All right. Now, to play our game, you need 1 dice. You're going to roll 4. Oh, and then you need some sort of a marker. I'll use my little, I have him handy. So 4. So I start here. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I land on this one. So I have to solve it. So I have to figure out what 7 plus 3 is. Well, I know that. That's a friend. These are friends. So this is 10. So I'm going to put my marker there. Okay. Then the next person rolls. They get a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now they know this is 9 and they know part of it is 2. So they have to do 9 minus 2 and get their answer. If they get it right, they get to stay there. If they get it wrong, they go back to where they started. If I land on start over, I have to go and start over. All right. So this is a fun activity for you to make up your own game. Let me see the whole thing. You're going to make your own game up and have fun.